On the top of your Lumix camera, you'll find the mode dial that allows you to switch between the exposure modes. For example, you have P for program, A for aperture priority, S for shutter priority, and M for full manual. Now these mode dials are all for still photography. If you're in one of these modes and you want to quickly shoot video, you can do that by simply pressing the red button on top of the camera. However, this is going to be shooting video in P mode or program mode. That's fully automatic. If you want to take creative control over the exposure in your video, you need to enable that, and there's 2 steps required to do this. The first step is to move the mode dial into the creative movie mode. That's the icon with the video camera and the letter M next to it. Then you can either go to the menu, navigate to the video menu, and then to the first submenu called image quality, and then at the top of that list, you'll see exposure mode. Select that, and you can choose your mode here from program, aperture, shutter, or manual. The other way to do this is to press the Q button on the back of the camera, which loads the quick menu. You'll see the exposure mode in the top left corner, and to change that, you can rotate the thumb wheel at the top of the camera, or simply touch on the touchscreen here to select it. And now you can take creative control over your exposure for video.
Panasonic.